Hello and welcome to this video. This is going to be another techie video, so do make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. But anyway, today I'm going to unbox the new Sigma 85 1.4 DGDN for Sony, which is an amazing lens and it's actually my dream lens. This is because it's 85mm and you get good compression of the background, but also because it is 1.4, which means it lets in so much light. So anyway, let's get on with unboxing this box. Here are my trusty unboxing scissors, which I'm going to use to actually hopefully cut through this. This is gonna, I'm gonna make heavy weather of this, it feels like. God. Okay, so obviously it's been packed incredibly securely, so it's gonna take a while. I'm gonna have to cut this out in editing, aren't I? I am literally not the best at unboxing when it comes to putting it on video. It's kind of because there's stuff in front of me because I'm recording. I'm not usually this bad. So anyway, here's documents and stuff. And so here it is, the big boy, the bad boy, which is the Sigma 85 DGDN. So here's a bit more bubble wrap. So I can't actually wait to start using this. Brand new. Oh, so here you go. It's the Sigma 85 F1.4 DGDN Art Series E mount. This is for the latest Sony mirrorless cameras. Here you have some warranty stuff to our valued customer from Sigma, and here it is. It is so small. I can't believe how small this is. Comes in your standard Sigma little pouch thing, which is kind of cushioned. I can open the zip, and here we have it. So we also have a lens hood, as you can see. It's quite a big one, and here's the lens. It is actually so small for an 85 1.4. This is tiny. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And here we have it, yeah. So, I don't know if you can see, it has the focus ring, or you can probably program that to be something else. It has autofocus and manual focus lock, autofocusing lock button, which you can also program to something else. You can de-click the aperture, which is not the easiest thing to turn. Click, de-click. You can de-click the aperture, but yeah. It's got little, this is the E mount. It's actually weatherproof, so it's got rubber gaskets for that, and it's got a really big front lens element. But yeah, this is the Sigma 85 DGDN, and I can't wait to actually use it. It is amazing.